Yeah guys, sorry guys, I have to do this my mustache. November is coming in very soon, after 1 month, so I have to do this mustache before I tell you anything. Okay, hang on to it. Alright guys, this is my channel Why Succeed, and this is luckyxman today with you to show you how you can do in a video. There's lots of things you can do in a video, but today I'm going to show you how you can move a text. Everybody has a text in their video, and everybody likes to make that cinematic look. Of course, like me, I want to do it too, and I learned how to do it as well. So today I'm going to show you how you can do it. Very easy guys, very easy, and it's not very complex to do it. Anyone can do it, and if you want to be pro editor, stay with me. After this intro, I'll show you how we can do it. Welcome back again guys after this intro, and without doing any delay, let's do my mustache again. Okay, let's make that curly and make it look good, and without doing any delay, let's jump into the computer and show you how we can do it. Okay guys, alright, this is a Premiere Pro 2020, and this is my previous project, and I'm gonna use this same video from previous project, and I'll show you how you can do your moving text easily without having any vast technique. Okay, all right. This video I've done this text right here. You can see. All right, let me play back again before the text, and as you can see, the text will pop up from the bottom right here. Oh, take too long. Here we go. All right, this animation. All right guys, this is called a text animation. And if you want to do like this text animation, you don't need to know any technique. All right, this is available free on the internet. So I've done this graphic content. You can get that for free as well. So I'm going to leave that link below in the description as well. So if you want to know how you can do it, you just have to download and place that in your Premiere Pro. So it's not hard guys, don't worry, it's not very hard. I'll leave that link below in there as well, so you can go and check it out. Right, for today I'm going to show you how you can move your text in any direction you like. Okay, to do that, let me put some text in my video. All right, this is so you can do Ctrl+T or just click the T in here, and what you have to do is like go anywhere on the screen right here, type here anything. Okay, I'll do moving text. Okay, so this is a moving text guys. If you can't see it, I'll just make that bigger. All right, so I'll just make that bigger, a little bit bigger. All right, so all right guys, this is a size text. I think you can see it now. It's just a white text, so you can see it. All right, so most of the video you might guys wondering why this is some sort of animation on the text, and why your text is sometimes moving from left to right, right to left. Okay, most of the time you can download some preset on the internet. You can get the preset and you can apply the animation, but some of you might want to know how you can do it easily by yourself, because not all the preset will let you do whatever you want. So you need to know how you normally move your text in any direction you like. So now I'm going to show you how you can do from left to right. Let's do left to right. Okay, so this is the text. Let me make that bigger, so we'll do that easily. All right, so from the start. Okay guys, let's move that from left to right. Okay, this to this, from here to here. So yeah, this looks boring. It doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere. Let me play this. When I play the video, this text stays here, and this is a bit boring guys. Okay, so if this goes from left to right slowly, then what happens is that makes your video more crisp, and makes you gives you more texture and looks better, obviously. Yes, so let me do that. Let me show you how you can do this. Okay, first of all, put the text there for sure, and select the text. On the left hand side, there is effect control, so you can do pretty much anything in here. Okay, if you want to edit from graphics panel, you can do it either too. It's up to you guys. Okay, if you want to play in here or whatever you want to do, there's some option here, but usually what I do is I like to play within the effect control panel on the left hand side. Okay, here we go. So before moving on the actual thing, let me tell you something. This is a brief discussion, guys, because these things you need to know. Okay, you need to know before you jump into the moving text. The reason is, if you don't know these things, like what happens is scale and the position. Scales means this is 100%. Let me, this scales mean small or bigger. Okay, this option will make you small or bigger, whatever scale you want to make it. Okay, let me do that scale 100%. And this one, position, means that will let you do up and down. Okay, that will let you do left and right. So this option will let you do up and down, left and right, the easy way, guys. Up and down, left and right. Okay, first one is left and right, second one is up and down, so you can move your position anywhere you like. So for now, I like to move this text right here. Okay, I want to put it right here, and this is my scale, this is my position. So what we want to do today is make that text coming from the horizon, like nowhere inside, and goes slowly and goes to invisible. Okay, so to do this, what I have to do is make that text invisible. Okay, go this way, left, make that invisible, not on the frame. And what I have to do is select the frame, make this scale anchor point. Okay, make another anchor point. So what happens is this position is fixed now. Before clicking this right here, selecting toggle animation, this is called toggle animation. Okay, it will let you do the animation easily. Right, so what happens now is this position is fixed. Now you have to make sure in what time you're gonna make that animation finish. This is a start and this is a finish. Okay, if you want to finish on this is a pretty long video. This is a 5 minute. Okay, let me do this in 1 minute. Okay, this is okay. Let me cut this up. Okay, cut it. Okay, we want to start here, finish here. That's all. In 1 minute, I want to start from go there. We already fixed that position, and we want to finish that up. Goes from left to right up here. Okay, so select the text. Right, we already have a position right here. They start and this is the end. Okay guys, this is the end. So what I have to do is, you can move this text. Okay, I think you can pretty much select it right here. Okay, goes right here. And because we're moving from left to right, you don't need to touch that vertical, like up and down position. Okay, all right, so let me play this now. I think it didn't work, guys. Something went wrong. I'm not sure what it is. Let me delete this. Okay, all right, so we already have a beginning and we want to end right here. Okay, we're gonna end up here. So what I have to do is take that text all the way down there. Okay, so what will happen now is we have two positions, one here and one here. Okay, there's two of them, so start and the finish, the beginning and the end. Okay, so you have to make you got to make a decision, like where we're gonna start, where we're gonna finish. Okay, let me play this. Here we go, guys. Okay, so what happens is, while you're speaking, your text start moving from left to right. Okay, so it's coming from left to right. See, you can see the animation already started and already looking better. This is a very basic skill, guys. This is very basic, but while you're making a video, if you're a content creator or YouTuber, this gives you more you know, that is authentic look and more of like a, you know, excitement, you know, more of excitement. See, this text is moving left to right. Okay, let me do that fast. Yeah, there we go. Then when it goes here, it disappears. Okay, disappears. There we go, guys. This is how you can do the moving text. But you wonder how you can do frame by frame in any direction. All right, anyone can do pretty much left to right or up and down. I think it's pretty easy, because when you choose beginning frame and the end frame, then it will just, you know, animate itself. But the thing is, if I move while my hand moves, you know, I want to move my text with let's say from this end to this end. Okay, let's do that again. So from start here. All right, let's fix that up. Let's do this from this end to, I want to start from here and I want to finish right here. Okay, so what happens now is we have a start point and we have a finish point. Okay, start and the end. So what will happen now is you just have to move a text. Okay, just have to move a text wherever you want. Oh, sorry, I've selected my video, but you gotta select the text. Okay, alright guys, here we go. Okay, let me play this again, so hopefully it works. Here we go. Here we go, guys. This is moving up now. Right now is moving one corner to another corner. So the fact is, you can do pretty much any direction you like. Okay, see, it's moving up. Slowly it's going up. Here we go, and then disappearing slowly. Okay, all right, now you know how to do left and right, one corner to another corner. Pretty much you know now how to do any direction you like. Okay, now I'll show you the another thing you can do with the text is, why not you can move while my hand moves. In any direction my hand moves, you can move a text with any direction my hand goes. Okay, to do this, what I have to do is get the text first. You know, you gotta start the position. You gotta know your, you know, I'm gonna make this bit smaller because smaller looks better with the movement. Big is too big. Now I gotta fix this. All right, my text is right here. Okay, my text is right here. Now I'm gonna start from here and I'm gonna finish right here. Okay, here we go. So my start point is this and the finish point is this. Okay, finishing point is this. So what I will do now is my text in the hand is all together now. So what you can do is do frame by frame. Okay, you can do frame per second. So what you can do is, this is a back, one step back. This is, when you click this button, step back one frame, step forward one frame. So you have to move your text frame per second. Okay, frame by frame. So let's move this hand. Now my hand is moving, my hand is moving, my hand is moving. Okay, my hand is still there. Now my hand is going down. Okay, right here. Here we go. So what we want to do is select the text. Select the text and move. Okay, move according to the hand and go one more frame per second, one frame, and move the text where you're gonna put it right there. Okay, so one more frame. I want to keep it here. Pretty much same. My hand is still there. I want to do that, keep that. Okay, right here. Okay, it's still there, it's still there, it's still there. My hand is still there. Okay, it's going down. So let's go step down. Okay, my hand is still there. I'm doing every, going frame by frame. So what I have to do is you have to move your text with every frame. Okay, every move of a hand. So you can choose to go left and right, up and down. Okay, now we got to do up and down. You do one more from another frame. Okay, another frame, another frame, another frame. Okay, I'm gonna move right here. I want to move right here. Guys, what you have to make sure is you got to make sure you move your text according to the hand movement. Okay, if you're doing different object, yes, you have to do with a different object, but you got to make sure if you want to make it very smooth, make sure do per frame. Okay, per frame, every frame you move, you got to move a text. Okay, I'm gonna make it a bit up. Right, bit up. Okay, right here again. There we go. Bit down, bit down. There we go. I think, guys, you're gonna have to finish this up here because it's gonna take a bit longer. Okay, sorry about that, but I'm gonna finish right here. Okay, my hand is moved from here to here, and I'm gonna show you the animation right here. Okay, let's go. Let's do it now. Here we go, guys. You can see wherever my hand moves, the text goes right there. Okay, it follows the path. Basically, what you have to do is you gotta create the path where my hand goes, and you can put the text right there. Okay, so you're gonna move your text according to the path you create. That's the thing. This is where this anchor point decide where you're gonna put your text. Okay, let's play that again. So my text, start there, moves wherever my hand goes. There's a movement, there's a movement. There you go, guys. All right, I'm gonna play that again. It's too big. Okay, here we go. There you go, guys. The text goes wherever my hand goes. Okay, there we go, guys. This is a technique. You can move your text in any direction you like. There's a lot of preset on the internet, guys. If you're gonna go and search, I'm happy to go and download. And I've already made some videos about preset where you can get the free preset, and I'll leave that link under the description below as well. So if you're gonna go and download, you can download for free. Okay, there's a bunch of guys who provided very good preset available on the internet. So thank you for staying with me, guys, today. And basically this is very unique and nice skills to have for your video. Okay, alright, guys, thanks for staying with me today, and hopefully you're doing well. It's 2020, everybody's staying home in lockdown, so I'm in lockdown too. I'm inside the house. Alright, guys, be safe and see you in the next video. And another thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll definitely upload next video with nice and cool tricks. Alright, thank you, bye bye.